So for today's video, we're going to be doing a myofascial release of the hands and of the thumb. So I have a block here, it just kind of brings it a little bit closer to myself. And then I've got my trusty lacrosse ball here. So I'm going to show you on my left hand, but I like to use my right hand as just adding in extra pressure. If the one hand is just fine for you, that's fantastic. I like to use both. That way I can get a lot of pressure onto my hands and really release the area. So I'm going to start off at the pinky area, and all I'm going to do is go up and down, up and down. I want to make sure you're also getting the outside here too, into our hypothenar web here. Get all along the side there, and then you're going to go along into the fourth finger and get in between the second and third as well. Really push into there. Then I like to go a little bit more into the middle. So now I'm between the third and fourth finger. And then I'm going to go between the first finger, second finger. And then my absolute favorite is getting into the thumb. This is such a, oh my gosh, nobody really recognizes how much tension your thumbs actually hold in them. So go up and down along the thumb. Then I'm also going to start to go back and forth along the thumb here. Back and forth. Really get into this thenar eminence here. Nice back and forth. And then I also like to go along the first finger and then, into the first finger and into the thumb here. So I like to go thumb, finger, thumb to the finger, and kind of make like a V shape along the bones with the lacrosse ball. All right, then next thing I like to do is compress. And then I'm going to compress, but I'm also going to do a little bit of a pin and stretch. So then I'm going to stretch my thumb back and relax. Bring it back and relax. And then I'm going to go to the first finger, compress and pull back. So it's compressing and then pulling back. So we're doing kind of a pin and stretch. And into the middle finger. Compress, bring it back. And then into ring finger. So I am passively pulling the finger myself. I am not guiding anything with this hand. And into the pinky. And pull it back. And then I like to go right smack in the palm. And then I'm going to pull all four fingers back. You feel a nice, good stretch. Compress and pull it back. Then I like to kind of go all the way into the heel of my hand here and push back and forth into the heel of the hand, and then bring it all the way along into the palm, back and forth, all the way into the base of the fingers. And then bring it all the way back. Make sure you're also getting all the way over to where the thumb is too. So get it into the thumb, all the way back into the heel of the hand. There we go. Then circular motions. This is kind of the finisher. So I like to just kind of get areas of tension, go find the areas of tension, and then do little circles around them. I always find whenever I'm doing this, at the very end, my hand feels so light. It feels so good. I think we don't get enough love to our hands. So this feels really good. And the nice thing is you don't have to require a practitioner. This is something you can do on your own at home. This is awesome if you are somebody who uses their hands a lot for their daily jobs, people who are in mechanics, lots of people who kind of crank wrenches, anytime that you're always going to be using consistently your grip strength. The people who most benefit for this are going to be the ones who are prescribing it to you. Your massage therapists, your chiropractors, your physiotherapists are the ones who overuse their hands. So hopefully they're doing this too. Don't forget to do both sides. Work your left hand and work your right hand.